Welcome to Trading Tactics YouTube channel. Today, based on our smart strategy, the following stocks are entering a bullish trend. Tata Power Company, Tata Chemicals, Bharat Electronics, Infivame Avenues, Geo Financial Services, Union Bank of India, Amara Raja Energy and Mobility, Blue Star, Housing and Urban Development Corporation, Lotus Labs, Rallis India, Shoppers Stop, Tata Consultancy Services, Varman Textiles. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, you can comment below. Also, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for daily stock market updates.